guys, Hassler Games here, and welcome to another video. I'm here with David and myself. I'm gonna actually try to let me see if I have a different keyboard that won't be so loud. I don't, so you're gonna have to listen to my keyboard clack. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, here it is. You'll have to listen to David, but his won't be as loud because he's gonna be singing. Mine's right up in the mic, and that would be pretty loud. But today we are actually playing Pembroke Pines, Florida, and they had a huge, mega, massive, better than Greenville revamp. This game is officially 10 times better than Greenville, and we should cancel Greenville. So, yeah. So starting off, they added interiors to many of the buildings. We have this. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to join. Also, oh, look at those blinkers. Also join the game I'm developing. The Discord will be in the description. Here's a grocery store, really detailed. Way better than Greenville could ever do. And yeah, so they also added a bunch of new cars. You can go through and see them for yourself in the game. 1995 Sierra. They have a 2018 Compass.
I don't know. I really want to go try that out. Should I buy it real quick?
Yeah, go ahead. 2020 Venue. 2019 Explorer. Did they get rid of the 2020 Explorer?
Yeah, I think they did.
No. And then Premium, which I bought, a 75 Robux. Not bad at all. I think it's 75 Robux. 75. But alright, so this is the car we're driving around today. It is a 2020 Audi A7. Now look at these blinkers. Listen to the sound. I love the sound, but look at them too. Okay, those they spent tons of detail in this revamp. You can tell, working on a lot. As you can see, the road textures are redone. Now, honestly, I think my favorite part of the update is Charleston and the Pines. We'll head there first, because I really want to show you guys that. We're in a private server, but we'll still be role-playing in it. But,
expect some Pembroke Pines roleplay videos, too.
Yeah, we'll be having some more of those, hopefully. David got banned from Truckers MP, so I don't know if we're going to be able to stream yet. We're working. The ban was completely unneeded. He moved over lanes not realizing someone was there and hit them, and now he's permanently banned. So we're trying to appeal that and get that sorted out. But until then, I really won't be able to stream with him, at least, Truckers MP. But Idaho does come out tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this tonight. It might be out already for you. But I plan, if I don't stream, I'll record a video on it. Oh, here's the horn. I love the horn on this truck. Car thing. I caught it. Look, there's running lights. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, my car's stuck. There we go. Oh, oops. Alright. What does that say? State law. Move over or reduce speed for stopped emergency vehicles. Alright, here is the best part of the update. Ready?
You can tell
So
that
you see
song
those bars?
was made for roleplay servers.
Yeah, you can tell. Ready? It turns green and lifts up for you. I love that. That's my favorite thing. They also completely redid this neighborhood. Like, completely. We'll head into a house for you. The houses are not great, but they're way better than the other ones were. There's grass on the floor. They should have fixed that. It's an issue, but nothing major. And there's a tree in this house. But pretty nice, pretty nice. I wish it would hurry up and turn day. It feels like I hate not in Pembroke. I wish they would make it a little brighter at least. keep going all the way around the neighborhood so you can see how big of a change it has had.
Also, the roof on the Jeep is able to be it's toggleable along with the doors.
I'm going a little fast in this neighborhood. In the same exit. Alright. So now we're gonna head down towards Dunkin' Donuts, which finally had an interior. And it's a really good interior. At least I think it's really good. I'm not gonna, this update has so many new things, I'm not gonna be able to go over all of them. So if you want, the link will be in the description for you to go play the game. I'm sure most of you have already played Pembroke before and know what it's about. But just in case, there will be a link in the description for you to test it out, and see what you think. Here's the Dunkin' Donuts. I think it looks really good. Do you have to be on the Dunkin'? Oh no, you have to go down here to get in. Yeah, you do. Donuts. These actual bean fried, deep fryer stuff. Be cool if you could click them. Yeah. So there's a few more things we'll go over, and then I just wanted this video to be short, simple, quick, going over the major changes in this revamp, and then you'll start seeing on my channel a lot of more Pembroke Pines roleplay videos. So I apologize for the background. I didn't even turn it off. I'm watching the Office on Netflix. Let me pause that. I didn't even realize until the theme song just came on. Oh, we'll go check out these places across the street. Alright, so the bank is really good in my opinion. Look at that, okay? Cubicles, a little bit, actually really big sofas.
Oh, you gotta show them the detail on this machine.
Really nice. And then we'll head over into the sports club. Spot club.
The spot club.
A few more things we'll go check out at the dealership area, and then we will end this quick little, but it'll be about 10 minutes probably. Okay, so this is where the Honda dealership used to be. Oh, it looks like an office building type area thing. I can't even get up. We're jumping the curb. And then this nice service area, which I like a lot. I think this is supposed to be like a Mercedes dealership. Over here is the Toyota dealership. Looks like they have a not as good service area right there. Oh, they have some Toyota Camrys out front. Yeah, I like that. That's more modern, realistic than the other one was. Of course, it would start raining. Let's turn on our wipers.
Yep, the back windshield wiper does turn on.
Okay, there's a random building with no parking lot there. Here's another pretty nice dealership. Little bug, but nothing major right there. Oh, they have a nice little canopy service area. Can you actually get gas at this gas station? Oops, I ran that light. My bad. What?
I think so. You just
Yeah,
can't
you
go
can.
in it like
Yeah,
the other one.
You can get gas here. Looks like this area over here is supposed to be over. I'm bad at driving. It's supposed to be a DMV type area. It looks. Oh, there's a sign. Let me see what it says. Oh no, it's a dealership, but it looked like a DMV, so I would honestly RP it as a DMV because they got too many. They got a used dealership here, another dealership here.
Oh, it's curved like that.
Yeah. Is there anything else? I think that is it. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Actually, right here at the end, I'll put a minute or two of us just driving around with some music, time lapse. So here you go.